symbolizes Christ being the light of the world. As we get ready to celebrate the holidays, may we be reminded to be always grateful for the gift of life, our families, and friends.
We are immensely grateful for each one of you. To our valued guests, our long-term tenants, partners, our video friends.
Wow!